Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to straighten your F250 steering wheel. A crooked steering wheel can be annoying and even affect your truck's handling and tire wear. We'll cover a straightforward method that you can do yourself, saving you a trip to the mechanic. This easy adjustment can make a big difference in your driving experience, ensuring your F250 tracks straight and true. Let's get started by understanding why your wheel might be off-center. Before we begin, let's gather a few essential tools. You'll need a couple of open-end wrenches, typically around 21 or 24 millimeters, and a tape measure. Park your F250 on a flat, level surface and turn off the engine. It's a good idea to mark the current 12 o'clock position on your steering wheel with a piece of tape. This gives you a visual reference point as you make adjustments. Now let's get to the adjustment. Get under the front of your F250 and locate the tie rod adjustment sleeves on both sides, near the front wheels. These sleeves have clamps that you'll loosen. To straighten the wheel, you'll turn each sleeve in opposite directions. For example, if your wheel is off to the left, you'll lengthen one tie rod and shorten the other by turning them equally, perhaps 1/4 of a turn at a time. Red-tighten the clamps after each adjustment. Finally, ensure your steering wheel is perfectly centered and your F250 drives straight. Take it for a short test drive to confirm everything feels right and the wheel stays true. Remember to check your tire wear regularly to catch any new alignment issues early, which can save you money in the long run. If you notice uneven wear, a professional alignment might be necessary. And hey, if you're looking for some seriously comfortable and durable socks, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your newly aligned F250.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.